You made the earth and
Pasagdain
the
na lang.
heavens. Are the
Yan,
ultimate
na
goal of
nila.
every knowledge seekers.
Wala na maguro yung
The infinite
barang-barang.
wisdom, the cause of all that is good.
Wala kong makita tapos na.
We are truly grateful for this
Siguro ba, sige
opportunity
mo ka nalang.
to gather together as a community, despite the challenges we face each day. Yet you remained and gave us strength to carry on the responsibilities of bearing intelligence and using them for better purposes. We now humbly ask you to join us in our endeavor to explore the wonders of life in the world for knowledge's sake. That in whatever we learn today, we become more grounded to you, who is truth, who is love. We pray that you bless our speakers, the fount of your infinite knowledge, that they can share something worthwhile despite the limited time we have. They can channel all they know and share to us the beauty and truth of living as your child. We pray that you guide our participants, the seekers of your boundless knowledge, that they may continue to persevere in the search and be deemed worthy to share what they learn from today's session. Sanctify us, O Lord, not because we are worthy of it, but because we believe in your love and mercy, that at the end of the day, we can take home something that's amazing and meaningful. This we ask and pray, in Christ our Lord. Amen.
Bayang magiliw, dalas ang silanganan, alab ng puso, sa gitid mo'y buhay. Lupang hirang, tulad na ng magiging, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dinagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kisap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdinig. Ang bituin at araw na kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhating pagsinta, buhay namin sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. We welcome Dr. Emmanuel Artibao, the program head of the Public Administration Department, for his welcome remarks.
Dr. Artibao, the floor is yours.
In behalf of the Dean of the School of Law and Government, Attorney Edwin Biensel Manisay, yours truly will deliver the welcome address in prompt. Dr. Philip Simon Vasquez, who is, I don't know where he is now. Dr. Iracos Lopa, I don't know where he is now. And of course, our esteemed speaker, Ms. Angeli Broom Sion, registered nurse. To my students and to the students of other sections, good morning. Welcome to this seminar on mental and occupational health, emergency preparedness, and health literacy. Big topics, right? Correct. But don't worry. We promise this won't be filled with this, you won't feel like a never-ending medical lecture. Mental health at work matters, isn't it? Stress is real. In fact, I experienced it when this group of students given instructions from time to time and no outlet at all. So it made me stressed out. But nonetheless, coffee is a solution. But not to all, but for me, yes. Labi na akong Starbucks. Emergency preparedness. Are we all prepared? No. Correct? Even death should have dapat tulukuan i-preparahan ang pagkakamatay. That is why some of you already have your safe paper or other memorial plans. See? So preparedness is better than being panic at all. How about health literacy? We normally refer to Dr. Google. Everything. Sakit sa ulo, sakit sa ngipon, sakit sa heart. We always go to Dr. Google. But please, don't make Dr. Google as your primary provider. We have speakers to talk to them. And you will learn about a lot of this. And with this, thank you to all the students enrolled in seminar on management issues, particularly who were assigned to this subject, for putting this together. Impressive. First impression will last, and I hope it will last. So without you, without you, we all be reading outdated health pamphlets instead of having these vital discussions. Nakita ninyo, ang ato mga speakers are from the Department of Health, and they are the authority to talk about this. And all these topics chosen carefully by the group are actually fitted for everyone, not just in public administration. This is for everyone. So most importantly, let's take what we learned here and put it into action. Knowledge is great, but your look are greater. But applying this, of course, is even better. Whether that means checking on your colleague, tanawa yung mga nagsikilig class. Looking at their eyes, you will know how stressed they are. Especially when comprehensive examinations is, fast approaching, padoon na siya padoon, so tanawa yung mga kilit yung mga kawan. Stress check ka. Then, updating your emergency plans if you have, or simply making better health choices by not simply going to Google. Again, Google is not the final answer. Doctors, licensed doctors and licensed professionals are the better choice. So with this, after learning all that we have, the 3 topics, I hope we will make a big difference to ourselves, to our organization, to our community, and to the nation as a whole. Kanang nation, right? So let's learn, let's share, and maybe even laugh a little. Welcome and enjoy the seminar. Thank you.
Well, that's a very informative talk. It's still our welcome remarks, but it's already very informative. Salamat, Dr. Rambao. And now, before we actually proceed, guys, we'd like to go over a few house rules to ensure a smooth and engaging seminar.
Yes, Ms. Daira. So our first rule is respect our speaker. Please give your full attention to our speakers and avoid unnecessary distractions.
That's right, Sir Joshua. And of course, aside from that, let's keep our phones on silent. So guys, I want you to please get your phones now and put it on silent mode. So this is to maintain a focused environment. So please, we will also do the same. Okay, it's silent na pala.
Next, engage actively. So feel free to participate in discussions and ask questions during the open forum.
That's right. Later on, after every speaker, we have open forum. So please take note of the questions that you have later on. Okay? And of course, let's capture the moments. So our team here, the documentation team, they prepared a QR code for you guys. So on your table, so kindly check. There's a QR code. It's a disposable camera. So please, later, so we want you all to please scan the QR codes to document and share your experiences on our shared album. So we will see the results after the seminar.
And as responsible MPA students, clean as you go. Let us keep the venue tidy by disposing the trash properly in our respective trash bins house.
Okay, that's right. So thank you so much for your cooperation, and now let's move on to our first speaker.
To introduce our distinguished speaker on mental health and occupational health and safety, we invite Ms. Marvin O. Esforez.
Our first resource speaker is a graduate in Cebu Technological University, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. She is also a registered nurse in the Professional Regulation Commission. She is also a graduate of Cebu Normal University, Master of Surgical Nursing, Master of Health Administration in Philippine Christian University. And she has a diploma of Masters in Development Management in the Development Academy of the Philippines with honors awardee. And she's about to graduate her Doctor of Philosophy in Development Administration in Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University. She's also holding she is currently holding a position in the Department of Health, Central Visayas, Center of Health Development as a Development Management Officer 4. She is also the author of policy brief titled Matatag na Bato, Kailangan Natin To. Routine screening leading to early detection and management of chronic kidney disease among high-risk individuals. Nominated as one of the most innovative employee award by the DOH Central Visayas Central for Health Development in 2022 and 2024. With honors awardee of Masters in Development Management of Development Academy of the Philippines, Batch 30 CELAC on December 1, 2023. She's assigned local government units, has been declared awardee for best practices in health. She also acts as mental health psychosocial support services, point person under the Function Incident Command System structure in COVID-19 response at the Department of Health Central Visayas Center for Health Development. Fellowship awardee on the North American Association of Central Cancers Registries, Incorporated, and International Association of Cancer Registries on a combined annual conference last June 11 to 13, 2019 in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. She's internationally trained in management training for eye care program managers held at Lions Aravind Institute of Community Ophthalmology in Madura, Tamil Nadu, India, last January 31 to February 13, 2019. Organized the regional, provincial, and municipal hypertension and diabetes club of 4 provinces and 3 highly organized cities. She's active internal quality auditor for ISO 9001-2015 version. Improved and successfully implemented policies and standards for the improvement of office operations. She initiated and organized the Community Eye Health Program in the regional and provincial level, and commissioned as a resource person and facilitator on lifestyle-related diseases programs for 8 years. She also attended a lot of trainings and seminars. To name some, she attended training on local health system and strengthening program at the Department of Health. She also attended competency-based short course interview workshop in Ateneo de Manila, Mindful Self-Compassion Program, Metrosite Facility. She also attended the training in basic psychosocial skills and online training in the National Center for Mental Health. Cancer Register Training version, Philippine Cancer Society. North American Association of Central Cancer Registries Annual Conference in Canada. Eye care management training for program managers in Madurai, India. She also attended a training on root cause analysis and effective correction action in advance. And she also attended a training of health leadership and management for the poor, modules 1 and 2 in Zulay Family Foundation. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome with a round of applause our first resource speaker for today, Ms. Angelique Barroquio Siguro.
Good morning, everyone. My Kuta. Thank you for the kind words, Ma'am Marvin. No? So it's my 12 years in government service in the DOH biography. And of course, my respect to Dr. Umba, the head of the public administration here in Southwestern University. So yours truly, you can call me Brooke, no? To discuss about mental and occupational health. So, kanina, no, na actually na-talk na ni Dr. Umba, no, kung sa about the mental health, no, just a brief overview, but my presentation will be talking about how you deal with it, at the same time, how to identify those triggers, and how to manage yourself, especially when you are in mental health crisis. No? Okay na ba? So, first, let's talk about the outline of my presentation. So, definitely all about the definition of mental health and about the global mental health situation and the epidemiology of mental health. No? As you can see, mental health, it's not like other diseases, no? Diba? Namatay mga allied nurses here, doctors. So, technically, ang mental health ng good, there's no laboratory test. Diba? Common fear that you have depression, you have anxiety disorders, no? So, ato matanaw, nga na mental health disorders. At the same time, about the mental health hygiene, no? We practice it, the early signs and symptoms, as well as the ways to maintain your positive health. Okay, so, so this picture is a brain teaser. So, kita na ba mo, guys? Klaro ra? Pwede na, kasi nakita sa picture. No, pag-volunteer na, asa section A? Alala, ikaw section A ka sa? Ikaw section ka? B? Sige, saan nakita mo sa presentation? Sir Juan. It's a dolphin and a cow, no? Kung saan pa? Kung saan may nakita ninyo? Dili na sa side. Ikaw, sir, saan nakita ninyo?
Dolphin o baka.
Okay, so, isayaw na ito, baka, no? Kung may kayo nakita, dapat hindi nakita o puro na dolphin? Ako'y daga. What else? Kung saan? May shadow, no? Kung saan pa? So, actually, this is a study, no, from the St. Mary's Hospital in US. No, it says that these two dolphins now are very identical to each other. But if you see now more differences sa nila, it talks about you are experiencing a lot of stress lately. Totoo po? Na-stress ka po sa upcoming compre, no? Nakalisod, no? Ay, talagang lisod, no? So, ano din siya, no? Sometimes our brain manifest din siya kung how stressed are we, no? So, we have to be mindful, we have to be aware, no? Kaning stress na po, no? Muna yung pinaka-importante sa mental health that we know na kapag we are stressed na. Self-awareness, no? So next, brain teaser. So what did you see? Ito po. Ako ito mga friends from the Department of Health. Why only guys, no? What did you see, sir? Sir Neil? A tree and a couple. Hindi mo na kan Sir Neil. Dili, kasi nakita ninyo here. Ma'am. Kasi nakita ninyo, ma'am. Yeah, okay. Napala yung nakita? Na ay from? Ay, bakit? Ay, harsh, no? Isa pa? May eyeliner, no? So you are very, visually active, no? But this picture is an example of an illusory contour, no? And it predicts or it illustrates that it's about the baby's head. No? This is a baby's head. Kita mo? Distortion, no? Ano na yung feet? No? So na yung feet. So katong kung na nakatitag lain, no? Pa-check up na guys. I'm not talking na namin problema, but pasin na tayo lain nakita. So we are stressed lately. So we check ourselves, no? But technically, this picture, ang yan will demonstrate is a lying baby, no? Okay? Sige. Pinabata, no? So check your mental health, no? So next, for final teen drama here. Wala. Nakabalo ko na aking friend. Ito gitawag na Jen Aguila. Sa to, no? Here. Ma'am Jen, ano Ma'am Jen? Kailangan nila. So these are the famous celebrities in Korea, no? So globally, these persons are already passed away, no? So you can see that mental affects normal people, but also mga bigating tao, no? So this is the famous actor in the hit series Parasite, no? Lee Sung Kyun, the famous Kim Sae-ro, no? Recently died at the age of 35, and Song Ji-lim, no? 39 years old. No? As you can see, many people battle about mental health disorders, no? So ending their life, no? At the same time, wala lang na normal ang ilahang pagkinabuhi, no? So in the Philippines, dili sa ta kanang safe, no? So naabot tayo mga mental disorder or anxiety, depression, common tayo din sa Philippines. Tinood ni? Especially at the verge of COVID-19 pandemic, no? We really witnessed that, no? In the ICPT-TMF, no? With some of our colleagues from the Department of Health. And our local artists as well, no? Miss Sunshine Leeson claimed that she can take drugs, no? Just to calm her mood, no? Also gawain siya, no? And even a dean to strength, no? So, kani sila mga tawhana, dili kini sila kada luwas na mental problem, no? Okay ba no in this room, naabay struggling, no? Or whatsoever, but you have to call for help, no? Kaya the ideal, sa tawag ni, motto din sa mental health, you have, dili mo touch and mo dili ka mo ask for help, no? So, kung na mga nakita ninyo mga friends na struggling, you can assist them, no? Mga youth lang. Kaya basin kaya episode na sila o communicate, no? Denial pa sila na sila mental health condition. Okay? So much for the situation there. So, here in Cebu, di ba? Sa kayo kanang suicide, no? Even diri atong miambat sa UC, no? A nursing student, no? So, naapin na po. And kaping na po yung mga suicide cases, no? Increasing na, very alarming at the rate of 62, no? Number of cases. So, naghahanap kaayo. And even in the local situation, in one of my area assignment in the South Cebu, no? 40-year-old man committed suicide because nakita siya sa iyang mama nga nag-suicide, no? And the sad thing is, dito siya nag-suicide sa grave sa iyang mama, no? 3 days after sa lubong, no? So very traumatic yun, no? Especially kung naay maka-witness on how they end their life, no? So you have to ask for help, no? Or when you can spot somebody and naay problem, assist them, no? Help them, no? Kaya basin maura na yung way na dili na nila ma-recover na nila ilang mental well-being, no? So, kana lang po ang key message natin, no? And our mental health situation that 87% of Filipinos report work-related, no? Mga mental health issues na ni-exceed na sa global average. Na ba wala ng trabaho rin? Or working ba talaga? Some are, wala kayo. Isa may wala trabaho rin. Asa ng trabaho na tatanan. Okay, good, no? And most daw sa ato ang mga mental health issues kay gikan sa ato ang work. You know? Nga naman, babe. Just kayo. Ang boss? OMG. Isa ba may toxic? Si office mates? Wala. Because, ikaw yung Sir Johannes, isa may toxic. Ang workmate? Wala man ikaw ang mo? Ayun, sir. Okay, no? So, di kaya, no? Naakit tayo mga triggers, no? Naakit ko sa atong stressor sa ato ang work, no? Especially karon nga after pandemic, no? Na nagtawag nga VUCA world. No? Kung saan ang VUCA, ma'am? It's volatile, uncertain, chaotic, and ambiguous world. No? Wala na tayo maluon sa iluwa, no? And some people, di na sila pagulog, no? Tungkol kaya nagsig sila muna sa future. No? So that's why mental health is very important, no? So the global workplace situation that decent work is good for mental health, no? Kanina trabaho kung may ganyan lang nakalaad daw, ganahan ako trabaho. Tungod kay, we love our job. Short. Just no. But there are certain poor working environments such as discrimination and inequality. Isa man naka-feel ani, I'm alone, I'm outcast. So kasi kung nahuna na nimo, no, or kasi na-adjust kay basis kay ana ang feel, and there are excessive workloads. Yes, no, very much, no? To the extent na, sige na lang ta, overtime. Alas 10, alas 11 sa gabi na ta, muli. Ngayon, alagari, namumata na sa alas 6. So, dapat pinamanta mo matulog, guys, no? And there are job insecurity. Na may coordinate, aiming for promotion, no? Ma-threaten na i-promote, kaya wala ka pa na-promote, no? So, so sometimes it can cause stress to us, especially to our mental health, no? And there are 12 billion people, no? Na anxiety, depression, and they affect their productivity, no? Kaya kung saman kung hindi naka-healthy and well, no? Hindi na ka makatawag work, no? Hindi naka-productive, hindi naka-efficient sa inyong job. So, kailangan we check ourselves timely, no? Kung how are we performing. And at the same time, isa man na insurance dito sa AXA. Bitaw, no? AXA, no, is an insurance company. It says that 87% of Filipino working age adults experiences at least one of these disorders, no? Depression, anxiety, and sa nila, na-experience na sila tiredness, no? Di ma-explain ang kakapoy, no? Na ako yung di ka tulog, or what ang interest sa kabutan, no? So these are valid feelings, no? May mga kauban ngayon, ani man ako na-feel, ina, muna na mo, no? Kaya, this is reality, no? Feel like it's like that. At the same time, Filipinos are contemplating stepping back from work, no? Mahitabo, they end up quitting or resigning. Ano man ako, una rin ako, kung may ayaw akong trabaho, kung na-burn out ako, mo resign na lang ako. Dere? Nya masahay mo kay amo na amo pairadan sa balay si Judy man. Bitaw, no? So muna, no, ato ang food, no? At ipunira mo daw na sige naglaban. Sagot kita sa kontra. Bitaw, no? So instinct daw nato ang survive. Oh, jud ko na, no? And another study says nga atong health report that atong mga kaubanan, no, mag-sick leave due to mga psychological or mental issues, no, 50%, no. Sali siya sa Philippine AXA Health Report. 33% experiences burnout, and 22% nag-ask due to health, no. So, naapuyuban na nag-ampo na-adjust kay support, no, from their manager, from their boss, no, to manage these mga mental problems, no? So, what is mental health, Iday? Anak ko, for you, what is mental health? No, sir. Sir Jesus. Well-being of the mind. Isa pa. Mga friends, yung mga ayaw, ikaw sa yung mga definition about mental health.
I think mental health is all about how you handle yourselves and your problems emotionally, physically, and other factors.
Correct, no? Thank you, Ma'am Shane. No? So, mental health, is a state of well-being, no? Right, Sister Jesus, correct si Ma'am Shane, wherein ang tanaw ani is how are we able to manage, no, our own or makakope ta sa normal stress in life, no? Totoo ba mo nga na-adjust stress na sinagingkod ta? No. How much more kung na-ay stressor, no? Mental health also talks about improved work efficiency, or you can work productively. So kung naman yung problema, hindi na productive, maybe there's something wrong. No? Check on yourselves. No? At the same time, able to make a contribution to the community. No? So, kanino ka, no? So this is the definition of mental health from the World Health Organization. No? Again, this is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his or her own potential or ability, cope with the normal stresses of life, work productively, and able to make a contribution to the community. So, hindi natin ikalimutan, guys, no? Natin upat ng mga pillars. So, mental health also means mental efficiency. No? So, how do we deal with stress? No? So, it also talks positive and healthy feelings. No? So, atong feelings, ato sa i-check, peace of mind. Lately, na-disturb ba yung peace of mind? Kung sa maninundan? Loud, no? Diba? Kung sa pa? Kung sa may naka-disturb sa atong peace of mind? No? Sometimes ato ang family, no? Ato ang mga loved ones, no? Love. As Dr. Ubal said, no? Or sa ato pong work, no? Mga deliverables na ito, gawa na ito na-achieve, no? So, na-achieve mo bother na ito. And also, mental health means a healthy attitude, no? So, how we care, self-care to ourselves, also means mental health. And adequate ego identity. How well do you know yourself? No? So, your ego, diba? So, that's also mental health. And healthy self-concept, no? How do you view yourself, no? Or how do you take care of yourself, no? And adequate relations to reality, no? So, paano pa ba ka? Naapa ba ka there's earth, no? Kung ka daydreaming na ka while working. And it also means control of your thought and conduct. So, it means mental health. Also, mental health, it's common, no, to us because 1 in 5 adults now experience mental health concern in the past year. So, kinsa man diri ang what you experience of mental health concern? Ha? Hindi na siya tao, no, sir, no? So, it's common ng yun, no? Manakit tayo ng panahon ng mga mental health concern. Robot na ba, sir? And also, mental health is more than a state of mind, no? Like it's a peace of mind, no? Healthy concept. So, having a good mental health is more than the absence of illness, no? Kabantay mo, kung sige mo muna-muna, masakit mo, ugma, nasakit yun mo, no? So, mind over matter, no? Di ba? And rather, it's a state of holistic well-being. When we talk about holistic, it's not only psychological, emotional, but the overall aspect of the person. Also spiritual, no? So, muna ang mental health. Broad kaya siya, no? So, muna siya dapat tudlog. So, doon binato ang mental health. And the mental health definition, which means without mental health, there can be no true physical health, no? This is the famous line of the first WHO General, Dr. G. Brock Chisholm, no? So, okay din nagsugod na prioritize ang mental health sa mga nations, no? And also, according to Dr. Carl Billinger, mental health is the adjustment of individuals to themselves and the world at large with a maximum of effectiveness, satisfaction, cheerfulness, and socially considerate behavior, and the ability to face and accept the realities of life, no? So, Dr. Billinger is the famous founder of the Billinger Psychiatric Hospital in the US, no? So, it's also a mental health also also means you are able to accept reality. No? So, only siya ang definition. At the same time, only ang epidemiology of mental health. No? There are a lot of people who experience schizophrenia, anxiety, bipolar disorder, and even epilepsy. No? So, also in the Philippines, naapunta, no? Dili sa atuwa, so naapo yung mga drug-related food, no? Mga mental disorders. No? So, as you can see, increasing negligence, no? Sa Pilipinas. So, what are the various factors affecting mental health? We have ipasa ko kayo
Factors that influence our mental health. First, we have
so, yung kaliwa, no? Sa pama? Life events, no? So, na yung mga major na pinitabo sa inyo. Tama?
And another one is drugs.
Kabaw na kita, no? Halimbawa, nagamot, no? Sa pama?
Brain chemistry.
Oh, brain chemistry, no? So, genetically, ang ato lang pag-anak, no? Mag-affect sa mental health. Oh, stress, no? Relate ka, ma'am? And lastly, no? So, mga various factors can affect sa mental health, no? So, hopefully, ang ato pagtayan kung na ay mental health problem, no? And mental health problem means it affects our individual's thinking, feeling, or social relationship, but not to the extent that significantly hampers the functioning of that mental disorder. So, na may mental health problem, hindi na totally makuha ka, no? Ma-disturb, no? Or wala ka sa iyong self. At the same time, ang complaints niya temporary and they are just reaction to the stressors. Okay? It depends on how we react to the situation. At the same time, mental health problems are less severe and shorter duration than mental disorder. No? Usually, kung wala kasi na siya 2 weeks na biyan, patayan na siya ng pagkita. No? So, we have to be aware, no? Sa ato ang mga ginahuna, no? Diba si ay chronic na siya, hindi na siya sa acute phase. And muna, patayan na ito mental health problem because it may develop mental disorders. Good morning, Dr. Showai. So what are the causes of mental health? No? We have the biological, no? Psychological, and social-economic. No, of course, no factors about poverty, no? Sa ato ang genetic makeup, no? So muna yung cause ng mga various illnesses. At the same time, mausabi ang ato early signs of mental illness. Sleep problems. Kasi hindi nakatulog diri. Nakatulog grabe ang oras. 6 hours. Kung mag-compre yung bro kay 2 hours. Wala, no? Tinood ba? Bro, kung mag-imong big research kay 1 hour na lang. No? So we have to be our quantity of self, hindi na ito pasagdaan. No? We have to have 8 hours of sleep kung pwede. Social withdrawal. Nahibulong na natin kay that person guy, hindi na siya mo interact. No? So, pagpadapri na siya, no? Hindi na siya magtingo. So, maybe may pinagdadaanan. Possible early signs of mental illness. Or even loss of interest. No? Sa una, ganahan kayo siya mag-drawing. No? Pero parang hindi na siya. Wala na siya gana. No? So, something is wrong. Worrier and forgetfulness. No? So, sige na lang tayo kung sa itugma. No? Kung sa consequence at actions. So, early sign of mental illness. Suspiciousness. No? Ang pag-uul sa itong pauban, hindi mo kuyawan na lang, gusto mo kayo, kung sa interest, no? Or, sigig sakit ang ulo, headache and absence, no? Mga psychosomatic problems, no? So, possible early warning signs. And irritability, no? Sige, palinha, no? Ano manis mama, sige, magkasuko, no? So, yan na. And fear of the unknown and palpitations. Magpa-check up nito, kung ano dyan nakitang findings, uy, kung saan man dyan kain, na may gitawag ng mga psychosomatic problems, no? In relation to mental health. So, bantayin lang siya, guys. So, warning signs. Hopefully, wala tayo maigo aning nalilapita, no? Insomnia. Hindi nakatulog, no? Lagi iyang routine. Mubangon ng alas 9 sa gabiti, bangon, no? Natulog alas 6, bangon alas 9, balik natulog alas 4, no? So, inana, no? Desire na mga routine, no? Or even, loss of appetite. Pero ganahan na ituwagin, no? Tinood na, girls, no? Kung natagat na ng problem, at ganahan mo pangod. To some maybe, no? Para mo ba? Stress eating, no? Kung naging mo sa ako ang capsule project, no? Grabe ang stress, no? So, again, magsig kape, magsig sweets, no? So, muna sila guys, depende sa inyong coping, no? So, some of them are irritable, no? Kung kalitag flare up, no? Kasi ninyong boss, sa yung prank phone style sa report, hindi ka rin nasuko sa mga pinagalawan, no? So, bantayin, no? Maybe, nasa siya mga warning signs, no? Or alcohol abuse, no? Party here, party there, no? Nagabihin na lang mo. Muntagay, no? Nabadiri. Wala mang. Or blank stares, no? Kung saan na ganyan na hula, no? May mutaw doon. Huwag ito sa iyang self, no? And memory loss, no? Lisod na rin, no? Ang mga warning signs. Also, naapoy, kanigala na po depression, no? As mentioned, dementia, malimot, delirium, no? Manalabi na maglamit ng mga substance use, delusional disorders, no? Mga delusion of grandeur, no? Ikaw maoy queen mother, no? Sa inana. And disorders of sleep, no? Insomnia, and the like, no? So, naitawag na disrupted mood disorder, no? So, mental disorder siya, common among children and adolescents, na makita ani, they are very irritable or angry mood, no? Labi na inyong anak, magamit ng cellphone, dahil pa itong tawag, kung masuko, kaya naputol YouTube, no? So, hindi ko na kumaingon na direction na siya na disruptive mood disorder, but you observe that, no? So, namin na mga common na mga mood disorders na evident na karoon, no, sa atong panahon. And the common features also, this one is na sila presence of sadness, emptiness, or irritable na mood. And naasa sila yung mga cognitive changes. No? So, isa man ito na yung mga anak nila or mga loved ones na yung mga makita ninyo, lahira sa inyong mga kaubay, no? You observe, no? May basing technique sa problem, no? So, the common mga depressive disorders, we have kaning mga disruptive mood dysregulation, major depressive episodes, premenstrual disorder for women, no? Kanang padung-nadungkod, no? Lain na kayo ng mga babae, nakon ng mga boys or mga sir, no? Yung asawa, yung uyab, no? Kasi hindi ay, no? Kain na disorder, substance abuse or substance-induced depressive disorder, or na sila ay disorder due to mental condition, no? Kasi diagnose sila na yung mga sakit, no? Sama sa cancer, no? Magpalit din sila na ma-depress, or dysthymia, mga mood swings, and other specified and unspecified disorders, no? So, ang usan dyan kabantayanan kung naaanin ang mga major depressive disorder is kani ang mga symptoms, no? Katong mensutan, they last for a 2 weeks period, no? So, tentatively mga 12 days, no? And ay mga additional symptoms nga depression, feeling of worthlessness, or guilt, no? Sige lang na guilty, and agitated siya, wala na interest, no? Sa inyong mga activities, or na mga suicidal ideation, no? O yun, sa niya pag-end yung life, no? Nagkana ko ng mga attempt of suicide, ilan naman ang nag-plan kung saan nilang pakakayon, no? Most of them already planned their suicide. Muna yung wanaan ang suicide, no? So, inana na siya, no? So, basin ko, di kan din sila depression that time, no? So, the women daw, ang ilang kasagaran sa mga babae, balas-las na sa women, no? That's para suicide, no? That's to gain attention. However, for those men, no? Nagitawag nga, usually ang mga lalaki pag mag-suicide direction, no? But we don't use the term completed, no? Because there's no complete suicide, no? But we say ending one's life, no? That's the kindness say to those who have suicide, you know? They end one's life, no? Okay? And also, mga depressive disorder kung na ay weight loss or weight gain, no? Depende ninyo, and fatigue or loss of energy. Walang gana sa buhay. Okay? So, next is how to maintain a positive mental health. No? So, number 1, practice mental hygiene. Ano sa mental hygiene? Oh, di ba? Ang iyong definition is the adoption of application of the set of principles directed towards the prevention of serious maladjustment and the maintenance and promotion of sound mental health. No? Kapag mo sa kung may mga triggers, may mga stressor, atong i-condition atong self, mabunya na nato, no? That's to protect your mental health. That's the practice of mental hygiene. At the same time, mental hygiene means the science of dealing with preservation and promotion of mental health, as well as prevention and treatment of mental health abnormalities. Because for me, there's nothing wrong with protect our mental health. No? It's part of our self-care. No? Don't be too hard on yourself. No? Be kind. No? Kindness starts with us. No? So, walang gina, no? Especially na naata sa ato Masters in Public Administration, no? Some of you cited as celebration, or some of you na yun na muna, no? Upcoming comprehensive examination. But mahuman na gina, guys, no? Muna gina, importante, mahuman na gina, naitawid na gina, no? Kaya nga yung ending at tanan. Of course, we pray for a happy ending, no? Muna gina daw, no? Mga mag-graduates na tanan. Hopefully, no? This batch, successful with the graduates. So, di ba? Babaon na ako, no? Kasi di ay mag-granted, no? Bitaw. So, muna gina, no? And another definition of mental hygiene is by Dr. Isa Apray, founder of Forensic Psychiatry, no? So, psychiatry broad sa siya. So, mental hygiene daw is the art of preserving the mind against all incidents and influences calculated to deteriorate its qualities, impair its energies, or derange its movements. So, kanang mananong sa reels sa Facebook, no? Manaay mga suicidal mga videos or whatsoever, no? Yung ako ma-trigger mo, pwede naging, no? Stop na ninyo ang social media, no? Eh, sometimes social media makubilay, dapat ang una-una no? Triggering sila siya, no? So, dapat strong pinakatang mental well-being or disposition. So, these are the tips, no? So, live one day at a time. Ito na yung what? Very good. Learn to control your emotions. Kani, kaya ba? May ibang staff na pabuyag, pero ikaw nag-easy lang pinapin ka. O, diba? Cynthia. Next, develop a strong philosophy in life. Ano sa philosophy ni mo, Josh? So be good to everyone, no? Hey, karma is And steer clear of worrying. No? Hindi sa man siya magsige una-una diri. No? Sa kaya atong finals. Kung sa mga kaya exam sa pag-play. No? Pero sa graduation, makapag-conflict. No? So, pag kaya ang event, una-una live one day at a time. No? Next, develop a hobby. Kasi hobby ninyo. Kaon? Delikado yun na, no? Ayaw, itataanan ko. Next, guard against needless fear. No? So may fear na ito yan. Fear of death. So man, fear of love. Diba? So, fear of being in love. So, ayaw pala being, no? Live one day at a time. No? Isa pa. Maintain physical health, no? So exercise daily, no? Sa among Secretary of Health nga mantra, tamang pagkain, ehersisyo at disiplina sa sarili. It's called TED, no? Secretary Ted Herbosa. So pagkain, no? Food, the food we eat, exercise and discipline. No? Magaling na kalas. And have a sense of humor. Ay, ako pala bigin, no? Magsige na kamising. Naman na rin? No? Ang mood guys, sad, pero ikaw kamising. Listen naman, no? Itaw, no? And cultivate friendships. Na ba yung mga friendship today out from this master's class? Kayo na ba kung tanan? So tapos, tayo na siguro mag-ilaila mo sa pikas ko, ano? Pikas nga, klase. No? Ako po rin, muli na ko nung mag-ilaila. Kung sa sir, really ka, sir? Really ka, sir? Mas maaari ka ilalay mo. No? Kaya we never know na alam yung mga connections ninyo. We call it relationship capital in development management. No? And more or less, kaning mga kaawad nyo din mo, hindi makatawag ninyo. So we call it relationship or social capital. No? And make a habit of decision making. No? And sometimes we are too dependent on our spouse or loved one. Wala kay katungod na mo decide. No? Kaya kung decision ka, question ka. No? So na, make a habit of your own decision making. Okay, so I hope na ma-apply nyo na ito, no? Hindi lang sa atong class, but also sa atong personal life. And strike a happy medium between work and play. So ano sa tamay mo na work play? After shift, after 5, after ano ba tayo personal life? No? Ay, kalimot. Na tayo life outside the office. No? And we have to remember na ang atong work para sa atong family, sa atong self, sa atong loved one. So don't be too hard on yourself. No? So next, natin gitawag sa DOH na 12S para iwas stress. Number 1 is smile. Ipakita ko po sa yung pinaka-sweetest smile. No? Ready na isa sa lakwando. Vibration. Smile guys. Next is sleep. No? Matulog na. Ayaw ko karoon. No? Sports. Kinsa may into sports? Golf, o diba? Social, no? Basketball or volleyball, no? Socials, no? Kinsa may hindi socialization. Scheduling, no? Muna nga inato dapat, stress atong kaugalingon. We have to arrange the schedule. Next, spirituality. No? Despite our various religion, no, natin time to another being, no, or to God, no? And sounds and songs. No? Mabita mo pa music kita, no? Malabi na ka na stress kita, no? Or ka na hadlok ka, no? So, pag ginugo niya ako ang music yung ipag-play, no? Or depende ninyo, self-awareness, no? Hindi na ako balik-balik. And stress debriefing, no? So, kami usually, with the partial binding sa mental health, lagi mga stress debriefing, labi na kayo mga calamities or disaster. Yok no, hopefully wala na doon, no? Maawa. Sensible diet. sensible guys, no? So katong Pinggan Pinoy, go, grow, and glow, no? Iwas sa mga SSB. Saan na SSB? Mag-grow. Sugars within beverages. Di siya Starbucks, but Starbucks coffee is included, no? So, mawala siya. And sensation technique. Kung saan naman, manes. Inyong massage, no? Sa una, may toast, may nisa, ano ka. Pero parang magsige na nagpahilot, kaya laban na ako ulo, no? Laban, sakit ako gamot, no? Laban na ipamati, no? Palumas gorgeous, gano'n, no? And speak out. Learn to say no, no? Learn to say no. You speak it out, no? Dili kaya ubang tao ang istorya para mo. You have to speak it out. So again, what's itong 12S para iwas stress? Number 1? Smile. Number 2? Sleep. Number 3? Sports. Number 4? Social. Number 5? Scheduling. Number 6? Spirituality. Number 7? Sounds and songs. Number 8? Self-awareness. Number 9? Stress relieving. Number 10? Sensible diet. 11? Sensation technique. 12? Speak out. Okay, very good, children. I hope may nalima, pinumduman, no? Or mas kinakatuma lang ilan yung mga practice ninyo, no? After this lecture. E di ba, hindi ko nilong kulaw, you have to act it out, no? So, dapat ito actions, no? After learning, no? Nakanakuha, no? And importantly, dapat natin self-care, no? 20% sleeping, 20% exercise, 20% cooking, nakabadali mga mamshi, 20% mga movies or Netflix night, or 20% meditating. But it's up to you. Pero kabantay mo, dapat na-enjoy balance. No? Have to have a balance, no, of everything. No? Sa self-care. Okay, and there are certain issues in mental health, no? Labi na kung naan sa middle age, no? Aging ta, no? Kailangan na kita exercise, no? Apply or adopt a healthy lifestyle. Kung retirement, going to retire, dapat na tayo second career, no? Para dili tama, makalipan, no? Wala na tayo nag-teach, no? Wala na tayo nag-work, no? And mga losses or separation, what we call as the empty nest syndrome. Kanaganin, naanan sa akong family nga, na ako mga anak, o ang mga laguman siya pag minyo naghawa na sila. So, wala siya naigawan pa. So, sometimes, natin yung mga psychological treatment for those elders, no? Like Home for the Aged. So, muna kung ipang i-advocate sa inyo ha, do not hesitate to ask for professional help. Do not ask Dr. Google, no? As Dr. Umbao said, no? We have to ask professional help, no? We have to care for our hearts, but we also have to care more for our minds, no? The heart and the mind, okay na guys. So these are the teleconsultation ng counseling hotlines in the Philippines, no? Nationally siya level, no? So ihatag ko na ko ang presentation na sa inyo ha, mag-screenshot this, no? Sa inyo mga respective na mga social media sites, no? Para ma-share. And maybe someone is waiting for you, no? Nangihangan na nagtawa, no? And also the list of mga mental health providers in Cebu Province, no? Nakag-google din siya, no? So you can ask them, no? Kung na may refer, or kung mismo magpa-check up, no? And mental health social hotlines, no? Nga ginitin sa DOH, no? Especially those times sa COVID-19, no? So, naghahanap siya ato mga hotlines. Tawag Panglao, Centro Visaya, 24/7 Crisis Intervention at Suicide Hotline. So, before we end, just let me share with you this video, no? Wala. Okay, sir? Sige na lang, sir, no? So, ato yung call for action, Annie, no? In the mental health in the workplace is that, number 1, we have to prevent work-related mental health conditions by decreasing the risk to mental health work, no? So, we have to have training, no? Sa ato ang mga kaubanan, no, on how to manage our mental health. At the same time, we implement the organization, no, sa atuang workplace, no, kasi sinay kakulangan. So, dito kayo, mataping inyo yung i-appeal sa inyong master's program, no? Kaya everyone is affected really on terms of mental health, no? Number 2, we have to protect and promote mental health at work, no? So, dapat nakikita supportive culture, no? Do not let somebody na left behind. No? Muna ang mantra sa universal healthcare, and we have to really reduce the stigma, no? I-combat sa mental health, reduce stigma and discrimination. At the same time, practice empathy. No? So we have to empathize on others. No? So in being someone's foot. No? And promote a sense of community. No? Kaya di man divided ako ang kinabuhi. No? We have to call each other for help. No one is an island. No? And third is support people with mental health conditions to participate and thrive at work. No? So mas kinahanglan tayo nila. No? So we have to have reasonable accommodations, mga work from home, mga instances, and mga supportive mga initiatives. So this is what I like to emphasize madam that is a super setting. So helping schools that one we promise to know. So before I end my lecture, I'd like to share to you this quote, no, take responsibility of your own actions or situations, no? Avoid externalizing problems and make excuses, no? So in health and leadership governance, we have to practice ownership, no? E kaya ang mga actions, kita naman po naman ang galo sa consequence, no? So we have to stand our ground, no? And hindi natin kaya, I myself practice this serenity prayer. So this is the prayer that I usually pray every day. Lord God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. So kana lang, say a prayer today. O kabalong ideas pa mo or whatsoever, but we have to give thanks to the higher. Okay, so with that, I end my lecture, no? And when they send up production 5, maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Sigurdo, for that very wonderful discussion. And also, your talk highlighted its crucial role in our workplace productivity and overall public health. Wellness para iwas stress, we will surely practice that work, Ms. Sigurdo. And now,